Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS quit unexpectedly error. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Help from the menu bar, and then select Check for Updates from the drop-down menu that appears. If an update is available, you'll see an option to update now, so go ahead and click on it. This ensures you're running the latest version of OBS, which often includes important bug fixes and stability improvements that can resolve unexpected quit issues. After updating, head back to the upper left corner and click on File, then select Settings from the menu. This will open the settings window where we'll adjust some important encoder settings that can prevent OBS from crashing. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Output. This section controls how OBS processes your video and audio. Now navigate to Output mode at the top of this section. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Advanced. This gives you more control over your encoding settings. Under the Streaming tab, find the Video Encoder option and click the drop-down menu next to it. Here's where you need to choose based on your graphics card. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENT H.264 or NVENT AV1. If you have an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH.264/AVC. For Intel GPU users, select QuickSync H.264. It's important to avoid X264 if your CPU struggles while gaming, as this can cause OBS to crash due to high CPU usage. Next, click on the Recording tab just above the streaming settings. Again, navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu next to it. Apply the same logic here, select NVENT H.264 or NVENT AV1 for NVIDIA, AMD HWH.264/AVC for AMD, or QuickSync H.264 for Intel. Choose your preferred option based on your graphics card, avoiding X264 if your CPU has trouble handling heavy loads. Once you've configured both streaming and recording encoders, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your changes and close the settings window. Now let's update your graphics card drivers, which can also resolve stability issues. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button and type Device Manager, then click it from the search results. In the Device Manager window, double-click on Display Adapters to expand the list. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install any available updates. Wait for this process to complete, as updated drivers often fix compatibility issues with applications like OBS. If OBS still quits unexpectedly after trying these steps, close the OBS application completely. Then, right-click on the OBS app icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives OBS elevated permissions which can prevent certain crashes related to system restrictions. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes of OBS quitting unexpectedly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.